Hello guys, welcome once again on this platform. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix this app is no longer compatible with your device. Contact the developers for more information. So if you are finding it difficult to fix this is how to fix it. So first of all, let's say if you want to download maybe Facebook or YouTube or maybe any other app that you want to download and it's not compatible with your device, this is what you have to do. But before we start, please you have to subscribe to my channel. Yes, it's very important. So when you get to my channel, first thing is to tap on the subscribe button, then you tap on it again, then you tap on all. So after doing this, you are done. So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first of all, you have to go to Google Chrome. You tap on Google Chrome, then after that, you search for the app you want to download. So let's say if you have a problem when downloading maybe YouTube on your app, this is what you have to do. So you type in YouTube old version. So when you type in this, then you tap on search to search for it. So as you can see, you are going to see all this. So when you see all this, just tap on the first website. So tap on it, and after that you are going to be at this place. So as you can see, these are the versions of YouTube. These are old versions of YouTube that you can use on your phone, because YouTube has updated their system, or the app that you are trying to download that says it's not compatible for your device, which means your device version is old. So what you have to do is to search in for the old version of that app. So I'm using YouTube as an example. So as you can see over here, so this is the information about it. So as you can see, this is the storage, and also we have the updated ones over here. This an updated YouTube app. You see, it was updated around 29th October 2023, and it's owned by Google, as you already know. So when you scroll, you're going to see different versions. So these are the versions that we are talking about. So this is the version. You get me? Yeah, this is the version. You get me? So as you can see, we have versions, different versions. So you see all versions. So you can just try them one by one, and you are going to see, you see, these are all the versions. And with the storage too, you see, this one is for what? It's for Android 5.0, and this one is also for Android 5.0. This one is for Android 4.4. So you have to check your Android version before what? Downloading the app. So if you have Android version which is below 5, you have to download this one, and also this one. It's going to help you. But if you have an Android phone that is having 5 Android version, you have to download this one or this one. You get me? So there are a lot over here. So as you can see, this one also is also for Android what? Android 8. Yeah, and this one is also for Android 8. Do you get me? So that's how it is. And you can also check their update over here. This one was updated around 21st of October 2023. So you have to check over here to see the one which will help your device. You are going to check their update and also the version. So when you are downloading it, you also have to check your device storage. Do you get me? So if your device does not have enough storage, you have to search for the ones that have very low storage for your device, and all of these versions are working. So let's say I use Android 11. So you tap on maybe this one. If you want to download it, then you tap on close. This is an advert. So after tapping on close, you're going to see download what? Download APK, which is this one. So you tap on this one over here. So just tap on it. So when you tap on it, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the size of it, and also the file and the download file. So this is going to save in our download file, and this is the file name. This one is the file name. So if you want to download this, just tap over here to download it. Do you get me? So you have to tap on this to download it. So tap on it like this, and when you tap on it, automatically you are going to see this on your device. Do you get me? So this is an EPK, that's why you are seeing this. So if you see this, what you have to do is to tap on download anyway. Do you get me? Tap on download anyway. So then tap on it like this. After tapping on it, you're going to see this downloading file. So you see it is downloading over here. You tap on it to see how it's downloading. So as you can see, it's downloading. So I don't need this. I'm not facing that problem, but I'm showing you how to fix it, so I don't have to download it. So I'm going to cancel it over here. So as you can see, when it's finished with the downloading, you just tap on the file and it will install, and you are free to use it. Do you get me? So thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platforms. See you in my next one. Bye.